So you saw one time a journalist asked me, say, are you in with the CNN? It was, I mean, must have seen it. And when I said, I don't know.
Does Rwanda currently have any troops at all in Eastern DRC?
I don't know.
You're the commander-in-chief.
Yeah, there are many things I don't know. But if you want to ask me, is there a problem in Congo that concerns Rwanda? Simply, that is really technically not an answer I should have given. But also technically, it is an answer that would not take me to court. How do you prosecute an ignorant man who doesn't know what you're even talking about? It becomes difficult. So, but this whole back and forth thing has trivialized the real issue. The real problem has been trivialized. But there are big issues to deal with. Congo must own up. They have responsibilities and must not transfer their responsibilities to Rwanda. They're not responsible for Congo.
Comment from the meeting, please.
Very good meeting.
Can you share more?
Well, it was a very frank and I think fruitful exchange about next steps to make sure that the bloodletting by M23 stops.
Because they still in DRC. I just came 2 weeks ago.
You did, yeah.
Yeah. And I visit the refugee camps, the humanitarian crisis. Yeah,
No, so and it was very good that the president and the head of the parliament and of course the ambassador, the whole crew, they want the peace treaty to work. But it can't work when you got M23 not only killing, but all the fleecing of minerals.
And also the violation of the agreement.
Yes, I know.
The African people were very confident at this time because the United States is...
But it's not over yet. It's not over. We have part 2 of the hearing next week. We are pressing, we're pressing the administration to really sanction the Kagame leaders, maybe even Kagame himself. I mean, we can't do a half a loaf and just do a little bit. It's like, stop it. You've signed your name to this agreement. Stop the bloodshed.
Thank you very much. Next week we have an interview.
Oh, good.
Yes.
I thought I was late for this meeting. It turns out we were so...
No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
kiriwo muno kitya kyekiri wantu bulijjo bizinesi ayihura
If you ask me whether we are in Congo, do you first ask yourself, why would Rwanda be in Congo? Then you would get the answer without asking me. If you ask yourself that this Rwanda which is accused of being in Congo, why this accusation? First of all, it is not about minerals, that one is aside, for sure. It's not for any other thing, for sure. Except we have told you for the last 30 years about the threats coming from Congo to do with our security, and those threats have materialized several times. You just don't want to see it, you don't want to hear it. So, but what are they looking for? When they're asking you, are you in Congo? Either you say no, and the question of defensive measures we took are also seen as if they are not there. And if you say yes, that becomes the only problem in the world to deal with. These Congolese are very lucky. This Tshisekedi man who stands there and abuses people and threatens and does that, and then in the end, this same international community comes to me and says, yeah, you see, you need to do this, you need. What? And I tell them, don't you realize that by doing that, you are actually emboldening this person not to find a solution to their problems, or whatever problems that are between us and them. You treat a country or a president or a government like a spoiled child.
Chimala. Mpola mpola.